my channel. At this time I have an unboxing to do. So yesterday I went to the mall and I was going to get a bag that I had in my mind for like a long time because I wanted something for like every day and I wanted a black bag. So can you guys guess what is it? Let's see. And it has the certificate of authentication and the receipt. Smells so good. And the bag that I got was the Marmont Bag, crossbody and a zipper. Not nice size bag. It's a little bit bigger than I guess what a lot of people like. But I wanted a bag that I can take it for traveling, and I can use it maybe for like you know, to go out. And I really wanted a bag that I can use it for like every day. And maybe I should have got the you know, the mini one, but I got this size because I needed something to travel, and you know, I needed a bag that I can like fit my passport, essentials, and more than a little bit more than essentials. So I'm just gonna put it on this shortest. And a bag that didn't like show off, that didn't show the logo like GG, you know. But when I saw the Soho disco bag, I don't know, I just didn't feel like spending that much money for that type of bag, and it really looked like a normal whatever bag. So that's why I really like this one. And when I tried it on, I was like, oh my god, this size is really good. And if I don't want to, like, you know, to show this way, I'll just show it this, you know, like this. And it will be nice because, you know, really like, you know, for like every day, or if it's a lot of stuff. Let me tell you, this has like paper inside and everything, but comparing to my Ophidia Mini, this is pretty, you know, roomy. Inside it's like this, see? Ta-da! Okay, so here are the certifications. So I wanted something that can fit all my essentials for like to travel, and I just feel that this zipper type of bag, it's really comfortable. So, you know, I'm gonna take this to my trips as well. I can just like do this all the time, and I love it. I love how the hardware is also it's kind of like sophisticated, and then like also for like everyday look. So I'm really in love with this bag. It's very nice. Like I said, I can use it like this, or I can use it like this. And I will use it like this if I want to go out like at night, or like, you know, a nice, I don't know, evening coffee time or whatever with my girls. So, you know, yeah, I think this bag is so versatile. I'm so glad that I got this instead of this Disco Soho, because I have had the dupe and this Disco Soho bag, and comparing to like the original one, I don't feel like spending that much money on the other one. At least this one, it has like the hardware, and it's more like sophisticated, and you know, I really like it. I hope you guys like, you know, this reviews on how to dress this up. Maybe like myself, I like to see unboxings of girls buying bags, or so let me know if you are interested down below. Okay, thank you so much, guys.